Your body feels like it's working against you and you're not alone. This is PCOS, Polycystic Ovary Syndrome. Your grandmother probably didn't struggle with this, but today PCOS is affecting more women than ever before. Why us? We are surrounded by endocrine disruptors, chemicals in plastics and products that mimic our hormones and mess with our signals. Then there's the mismatch theory. Genes that once helped our ancestors survive famine are now triggering insulin resistance in our modern world. It starts with an androgen surge, too much testosterone, disrupting the balance of the ovaries. Fueled by insulin resistance, your cells stop responding, forcing your body to overproduce insulin, which triggers even more androgens. The symptoms are more than irregular periods. They impact your skin, hair, energy, and mental health, from adult acne to anxiety. Diagnosis follows the Rotterdam criteria. You only need 2 out of these 3 symptoms to be diagnosed. Nutrition is your first line of defense. Focus on low glycemic foods and prioritize protein to suppress those androgens. Movement is vital. Strength training builds muscle that improves your metabolic rate, while cardio boosts your insulin sensitivity. Medications like metformin can sensitize your system, while anti-androgens help clear your skin and manage hair growth. Don't ignore sleep. High cortisol, the stress hormone, further disrupts your blood sugar. 7 to 9 hours of rest is non-negotiable. There is hope. New trials are testing triple therapies that could normalize hormones permanently, especially in younger women. Sometimes, PCOS is caused by other issues, like thyroid disorders. Treating the root cause can make symptoms disappear entirely. Remember, your body isn't the enemy. It's responding to a complex environment with old genetic tools. You aren't broken. Start small. A 5 to 10% weight shift can restore ovulation for many. Consistency beats perfection every time. Join our community for science-backed support. We explain the biology so you can have the compassion. Subscribe for more stories. Because at the end of the day, your body isn't the enemy. It's just waiting for you to understand its language. Your body isn't the enemy. It's just waiting for you to understand its language. This is why PCOS hits us now.